Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to use Dot.io and it also known as diagrams.net. So if you end up over here, make sure to look at this logo. This is the logo for both of them and this is one of the best tool out there in my opinion, and obviously this is free. There is no hidden charges, and this tutorial we are going to show you for a beginner how you can use it and what are the things they are providing. This is one of the best diagram tools out there, and as you can see this is one of the which they are showing, and you can see on the right side we have powerful features, privacy first, and share with everyone. Obviously you can share this to anyone if you want, and we will do that. So if you scroll down you can see that we have third-party integrations also. You can click on see more and see how many are there, and you can see we have integration with GitHub and even Dropbox, Notion, Atlassian, Google Drive, Google Workplace, and if I click on see more you will see all of those over here. But this is very different, right? And at the top we just need to tell you that you can start right away by clicking on this, and there is no login or registration required. So this is one of the best thing in my opinion, and we can also download this for our Windows. So you can just click on this one. You can also download this for you as an application. It has user friendly interface. Also there are a lot of stuff as a variety, like diagram variety, like it supports flow charts, network diagrams, UML, and many more. We have cloud integration, like I said this before, offline mode. So to get started you just need to click on start. Obviously once you click on that you will end up over here. Here you can see that you can save your data on your Google Drive, OneDrive, on your device, which is going to be your desktop. Obviously we have Dropbox, GitHub, and GitLab. For now I'm just going to click on device, and obviously you can decide this later. I'm going to click on this device, and we have create new diagram or open existing diagram. If you had already one, obviously you can open that here also, and you can change the storage later on. And we have create new diagram. So this is what we are going to do. Just click on this option. We have that over here, and here you can see we have so many templates out there. Obviously you can name the file at the top. We have so many templates. On the left side we have basics one, the first one over here, which is you can see that flowchart, class diagram, org chart, or swim lane diagram, and entity relationship diagram. There's a lot of them out there. We even have Kanban board over here. On the left side we have smart templates, business, chart, cloud. You can see charts. There are multiple charts you can choose it from, and we have engineering, we have flow charts. You can see a lot of stuff which they are providing you without any payment or even the login required. You just need to come over here, start your work. So I'm just going with the blank page. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Obviously these are the templates which you can choose it from, but in my opinion I'm just going for the blank page to show you how it's done. As a beginner you should know everything. Once you name your file name you will end up over here. At the top left corner you can see that I have saved this as first.draw. So I ended up over here. At the top right corner you can see that this is in the dark mode right now. I'm going to click on light so you can see everything clearly. On the left side of the menu we have so many things related to the things we can add over here, and to edit all of these stuff or the things which we are going to add over here, at the top we can zoom in and we can play it around. On the right side, specific product, if you are like heading, if you are putting this over here on the right side, it has their properties also, so you can play that around as well. For now you can see it has some properties as well opened up. On the right side we have grid and page view, how it's going to look like. So you can see this is the page view. You can add the background if you want, you can change the color if you want. Right now it's white, so if I go ahead and click on this one, you can change this to red and any color you want. For now I'm just going with this one. And we have shadow if you want, we have sketch if you want. So there's a lot of stuff which you can play around before start working on. We have grids also, so you can turn it off also, or you can play around with the grids also. Right now it's on 10 points, so that's why it's showing up like this. And we have styling also. So this is the styling for every single thing. Let's say you want to drag something over here, what could be the style of those things? So right now it's very basic, and you can also go ahead and select it around if you want. You can scroll it afterwards also. So these are very basic, right? So on the left side we have general options over here. Here you can see there are some few shapes which you can choose and drag that over here. You can drag that from over here as well, and you can resize it if you want. And obviously if you click on control, it will resize it at the center of this shape as well. So make sure to click on control, or if you're using obviously desktop, and if you're using some MacBook or something like that, you can just click on command and you can play this around like this. So you can place it anywhere if you want. Let's say you placed it over here, and you want one more over here, but you don't want from these, you need something different. How you are going to do that? At the bottom you will see that plus more shape. Here you will see some basic which you usually use, right? But if you want more shape, you can also get that by clicking on more shapes, and we have them over here. Like right now we were looking at general, we have basic, arrows, like there are multiple types of arrows you can choose it from. We have flowchart, we have active directory, which is going to be very good in my opinion. You can see that these are some graphics which you can add also. We have Android, Atlassian, we have Bootstrap, C4. There are a lot of stuff out over here. Even iOS, in my opinion, yes, there is one over here. So you can choose it from over here as well. You can see there's a lot of stuff which you can choose it from, and they are providing you as a free. So in my opinion, using this as a free tool, this whole draw.io, in my opinion, this is so good. After that, let's say you want this one, right? So you just click on that and click on apply if you want. Right now you can also enable this from the left side of the menu, so that means that you can apply that later on. Let's say you are over here, right, and you want to add something from over here, but you don't want to go over there again and again and start working on this. So what you can do, just click on, double click on this canvas, and you can select that from over here as well. So you can click that, like you want arrow, you can also do that. You want this one, this circle, you can also do that. And as you can see right away, they will show you you want to write something in it, so you can do that as well. But once you click on this, on the right side you can see I recently told you that this will get some properties. So this is the properties, like you want the fill color or not, or the gradient, or you want to change the text. Like if you double click on this, you can also change the text if you want. Text styling, text bold, italic, or underline. You can do a lot of stuff over here. On the right side we have arrange, how you want to arrange it, like at the background or at the top of this box, right? You can also do that from over here. So we have a lot of stuff which you can do over here. Now to connect all of these stuff, this is very easy. Here, once you hover over it, you might see this arrow over here, and you can drag that to this one. So that means it has been connected to this box right now, even though if I move somewhere else. So you can do that as well, and there are multiple more ways to connect, but in my opinion this is one of the most easiest way and the most efficient way in my opinion. Once you click on this, you can see that at the top we have some properties. We can change the styling of this arrow as well. So you can see like this one, and we have multiple more at the top. Over here we have this one over here as well. So make sure to select this one and click on this, so that's why it will change it after that. But if you want to change something over here, you can also do that by clicking on this arrow or something like that. So in my opinion, this is one of the best and steal in my opinion. So you can go ahead and start working over here. Let's say you have done all the work over here. At the top right corner you will see share button. You just need to click on this one, and you can save this to your Google Drive before you can collaborate. You must need to do this, otherwise you cannot do that. Just click on save to Google Drive, and you can share that from Google Drive. But there is also one more way. At the top left corner, click on file, click on export as, and we have PNG file, JPEG, WebP, SVG, and there's a lot of other over here. So this is one of the way as well. Once you do that, you can start sharing this to your anyone you want to show this draw.io. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. And as a beginner, I hope you understand every single thing. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.